For our next recipe, we're gonna make sour cream and chive mashed potatoes using our, of course, Thrive instant mashed potatoes. So to make mashed potatoes, we're gonna add butter. We're gonna saute a little bit of garlic and kind of get that all sweat together nicely. And then we're gonna season that up with a little bit of Chef Choice all-purpose blend seasoning, a little bit of salt. And now we're gonna go ahead and add our water to this. You just wanna sweat the garlic long enough to release some flavors. And then go ahead and add your liquid, your seasonings. I'm gonna add my chives. I'm gonna go ahead and add my instant milk and whisk that in. So butter, milk, garlic, chives, some seasoning. You wanna heat this up so that it gets totally warm, almost to a simmer. So as soon as it comes up to a simmer, that's when we add the potato flakes. Once your butter and your milk mixture comes up to a simmer, that's when you wanna sprinkle in your mashed potatoes. It's gonna seem a little bit loose right at first, but it will thicken right up, no problem. At this time, you're gonna wanna turn your heat down to very low or even turn it off. And I like to really whisk those potatoes so that they get nice and smooth, and also they get a little bit lighter, a little bit fluffier. Now you can see instantly, it took like 47.5 seconds to heat that milk up and butter, and it took about 20 seconds to add the potatoes, and you have mashed potatoes. That's the Thrive way, hello. To finish this bad boy off, we're gonna take a little bit of cold sour cream, and this is sour cream and chive mashed potatoes. Take a little cold sour cream to this, and add it right into that mashed potato. Okay, once that's all in, get your whisk, and you're gonna wanna just whisk these mashed potatoes. Look how nice and creamy and delicious and light those are. That's gonna make for a wonderful Chateaubriand.